Welcome back, guys, and I just wanted to do a quick video. I always talk about what to put on the skin, but now I'm talking about what to put in the body. I have my Meatless grounds by corn and spinach and chopped onion. The Meatless grounds are made up of roasted barley, and it has 15 grams of protein. Of course, the spinach is high in fiber. I am pescatarian, so I will tell you this may not be good if you are vegetarian or vegan, because I do use eggs. I don't use dairy. I use almond milk and things like that, which pescatarians may do. But in this case, eggs and fish is something that I do. So the choice is yours. You know, you make your decision. However, so I just mix this together and over olive oil in the skillet and scramble into a nice breakfast scramble. It's light, it's easy, it's filling. I have actually garlic powder. I use no salt. So it's still, with the onion and the garlic, gave it that seasoning that I needed to make it tasty. So I wanted to kind of go over this with you guys. I have my banana there, as you can see. So I got my fruit, and I also have a cup of decaf. I don't drink regular coffee because it has a natural stimulant, and I'm caffeine sensitive. So I just wanted to make this video, and you stop on by our website at myskincarenatural.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.